Traveling by bus. So conversation A is there. Does this bus go into the city? Yes. Where do you want to go? I want to go to the Harbor Heights. This is the right bus then. Now, could you please give me some sentences? I want you to make some sentences now. This is the right. This is the right time. This is the right bus. This is the right way. Could you please give me? This is the right man to talk. This is the right business to deal. This is the right path to walk on. Can you please give me some sentences with this is the right? Give me sentences
This
one by
is
one.
the right place to get knowledge.
Very good. This is the right place to, this is the right platform to get knowledge, to gain knowledge. This is the right. Yes, can you please give me some sentences now with one by one, one by one? This is the, actually your voice is lagging, my dear. Continue.
Right secret.
Not exactly. Yes, continue.
This is the
Continue.
right time to wake up.
This is the right time to wake up. Good. Continue, please. Yes. This is the right. This is the right time to hit.
The right time.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. You're the right man here.
I don't think so that you are the right man here. Next. Yes, continue please, all of you. Faster and faster. Just please don't pretend that you are just a dumb guy that who couldn't make sentences over here. Please
Right.
make sentences. I want you to make sentences. Yeah. This is the right.
This is the right time to arrive from station.
Very good. This is the right time to arrive
Why
from
do
the
you
station.
think it's the right time to announce this?
Why do you think that it's the right time to announce this? Good. Do you think this is the right time to make a supreme sacrifice?
Black belt का तुम्हारा वाला.
Just a minute, I'm really sorry. Extremely sorry. Continue, please.
This is the right way.
Sorry, guys, continue.
This is the right way to go on the destination.
Good. This is the right way to go on the destination, to reach the destination. Yes. Continue. Yes, 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 yes. Give me sentences, please, faster. This is the right time. This is the right way. This is the right man. This is the right platform. Give me sentences, please. I think you people are sleeping today. Yes.
This is not only way to go where we want.
Okay. I want you to
This
make
is the right
sentences with
time
us.
to do your beyond the imagination thing.
This is the right time to listen to your parents' decision.
Very good. Yes. This is the right time to take an action. Now I could make a sentence like this. For example, this is the right time to pull up the socks. What do you mean by pull up the socks? This is the right time to pull up the socks. No, to take action. To take action.
Realize.
To take action.
To get ready for something.
मैं आंसर तो दे रहा हूँ अभी.
This
To
is
take action.
this is the right
This
man.
is the right time to pull up the socks means what? This is the right time to take the action. Continue.
This is the right man who could feed in plan.
This is the right man who could feed in plan. Next, who could feed the plan. Next. Yeah.
This is the right time to show what you are.
This is the right time to show what you are. I believe this is the right time to prove myself. Yes, my dear.
This is not the right place. We are at the wrong.
This is not the right place to perform. Yes,
This is the right time to treat yourself.
this is the right time to treat yourself. Next.
This is put into
This
our
is the right time to talk me.
Is this the right time to talk to you?
Talk to you.
This is the right time
This
to
is the
talk to me.
perfect time for a perfect evening.
Very good. This is the perfect time for a perfect evening. Yes. This is the right time. This is the right way.
This is not a right way. We have to take a different way.
Very good.
This is the right time or the right way to overcome your fear.
Very good.
This is the right time to enjoy party.
Very good.
This is the
Next.
right way of speaking.
Good. Where do you want to see yourself?
This is the right way to pick up the man.
Very good. Could you please give me some sentence like this? Where do you want to?
Where do you want-
want to see?
Where do you want to see yourself after 10 years?
Good. Next.
Where do you want to see that rotten apple after 5 years?
Good.
Where do
Continue.
you want us to end up?
Where do you want to end us? Where do you want us to end up? Yes.
Sir, it's where do you want to or where do you see?
Where do you want to? Where do you want to see us? Where do you want to end us? Where do you want to you? Where do you want me to see? Where do you want us to end up? Continue. Mujahid, make sentences. Zainab, make sentences.
Where do you want to take them?
Where do you want to take them? Yes.
Where do you want the money so that you can return our child?
Where do you want money so that we can return a child? Oh my god. Kidnapping.
Yes,
Continue.
sir, kidnapping wala.
On the
Where do you want to see your son after 5 years?
Where do you want to see your son after 5 years? Next.
on the trip, in which hotel, where do you want to stay?
Very good. Where do you want to stay? Continue.
Are you at
Where do you want-
boy of your mom?
Repeat once again, Mufiz.
Where do you want to enjoy party?
Where do you want to enjoy a party?
Where
Where do you think?
where do you want to join webinar? Is yourself.
Okay, where do you want to join
And-
webinar?
For the program.
Where do
Where
you
do
want
she
to?
want to see herself in
Where
next
do you
3
think
years?
you are going? You're
Wait.
going on a wrong path.
Where does she want to? ऐसा आएगा वो. Where do she want to नहीं आएगा. Where does she want to? Simple present tense rule is there. He, she, it, verb plus s or es. So
Where
does
do
she
you
want to? Wait all of you. Where does she want to? Not where do she want to. Okay. Where does she want to? Where does he want to? Where does it want to? And where do you want to? Where do I want to? Where do we want to? Where do they want to? Okay. So do and does. Please pay attention with it. Continue now.
Where do you want to do your supreme sacrifice?
Good. Continue.
Where do you want to see that persons who are in catch 22 after 1 year?
My dear baby, please make small sentences.
Where do you want to get appreciated?
Where do you want to get appreciated?
Where does she want to fix meeting with you?
Good.
Where do you want to teach?
Good. Anyone else?
But banana's name
Yes. Anyone else? All right, let's go for the next one. B. B. Conversation B. Does this bus go as far as Washington Square? No, you'll have to transfer. Where can I do it? You can get the Washington Square bus at the next corner. All right. Next one. Where does this bus go as far as Washington Square? No, you'll have to transfer. Where can I go to it? You can get to the Washington Square at the bus stop next corner. So as far as, I want you to make sentences with as far as. Can you please give me sentences with as far as? First of all, what do you mean by this as far as?
जहाँ
मतलब
तक
क्या
मैं जानती हूँ.
Correct.
As
जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ. So जहाँ तक के. As far as I know, as far as I think, as far as जहाँ तक के.
मम्मी लाइट गई.
मम्मी लाइट गई, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो.
as far as I don't think so, it's watering contest.
As far as,
As far as I don't think so, it could be mouth watering contest.
good.
Yeah.
Yes,
As per I know you, you are not the right guy for this.
good. As far as I know, you're not the right guy for this one.
As far
Yes.
as it's okay, but for upcoming matches, we have to prepare a lot.
What is okay, okay?
सर सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है, ऐसे कैसे कहेंगे?
Everything is hunky dory. Everything is fine. Continue. Yes. Next. All the Garib people of English, please make sentences because you're not making sentences. Mujahid, are you in the garden?
जल्दी आ.
हाँ जल्दी आएगा उन्हें. ओ उन्हें कने जल्दी आ. समोसे लेके बैठेला मैं. जल्दी आ. Make sentences, please.
As far as many,
As far as
you could do it.
Very good. As far as I know, you could do it. As far as I believe, you could do it.
far as you as far as you see cook people.
Good. Yes.
As far as I try out everything, but it don't work for me.
It doesn't work for me. As far as I tried, I think it doesn't work for me. Yes. As far as.
As far as you will meet the friends. And far as you will become a rotten.
Good.
As far as he doesn't
As far as
join the seminar.
Good.
as
Yes.
far as you will see the people who are catch 22. As
In catch
far
22.
as I will try to speak English.
Good.
As far as I will try to speak English.
Good. As far as.
As sir, your camera is
Yes.
off.
My dear, forget my camera.
As English is the most important language in world.
Okay.
Huh?
As far
Yes.
as I know, it hardly takes 5 seconds.
Good.
As far as you will follow your timetable.
Good.
As far as Pune left Bangalore in
As far
Correct.
as
Yes.
the virus is going down, as I will try to eat healthy food.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, so you can click and I'm on.
Pardon?
as far as Pune could be
You-
the financial capital of Maharashtra.
Good. Yes. Okay. I want you to make sentences with have to.
मम्मी कैंडल ना क्लास से अभी लाइट गई है.
हाँ कैंडल देंगे मम्मी इधर ध्यान दो पहले. Have to. I want you to make sentences with have to. For example, you'll have to. So you will have to will become you'll have to. You'll have to. You'll have to make it. आपको करना पड़ेगा ये. For example, I'll have to. You'll have to. We'll have to. Or they'll have to. Next, he'll have to, she'll have to, she'll has to. Yeah, it is correct. Have to. Can you please give me some sentence, mix sentence, you'll have to, will have to, they'll have to, it will have to.
You will have to do the firewalk.
Good.
You have to do extra
Continue.
workout to build body.
Repeat.
You'll have to work hard to gain success.
Correct.
You have to do extra workout to build body.
You'll have
Good.
to win the test match to win the series.
Correct.
They have to come up with a conclusion.
Correct.
You'll have to earn everyone's heart to get the captainship.
Correct.
Is blurred and you can't see.
Your voice is lagging a lot, my dear.
You have to be
You
100.
have to make the app where the people can
Not exactly.
We'll have to
Not
conquer the
listening
situation
well.
together.
We'll have to conquer the situation too.
You have to be 100% fit to perform in match.
Very good. You have to be 100% fit to perform in match. Mr.
You'll
Gauss,
have
Mr.
to
Mujahid.
awake the beast in yourself.
Very good. You'll have to awake the beast in yourself. Miss Safia, where are you? Correct, Mujahid. You'll have to leave. Miss Tasmia, make
You will
sentences.
have to accept.
You'll
your
have to
mistakes.
come out of your comfort zone.
Good. You'll have to accept. You'll have to come out of your
You have to
comfort
accept your
zone.
mistakes.
You'll have to accept your mistakes. Next. Continue.
You'll
Next.
have to practice a lot because he has accepted your challenge.
Correct. You'll have to practice a lot as he has accepted your challenge. Next.
You have to make sure that you are in your limit.
Very good. Next.
You have to do something unique to be different from other.
Very good. Yes. Have to. I have to make my mind. Yes. You'll have to join the group for a month.
You'll
You'll have
have
to.
to be upgraded every moment.
You'll have to be upgraded on every moment.
You have to
Next.
take it in English to put good impact.
Good.
You'll have to focus on your weakness to make it your strength.
Very good. Yes. You can get a ticket from there. Can you please give me some scenario you can get? You can get. You'll
Yes,
have to
you can
speak.
get another chance to prove yourself.
Very
You
good.
can drink tea.
You can drink tea.
You can get what you want, but you have to sacrifice your comfort zone.
Mufiz,
You
the
can
sentence
get
is not
refund.
correct. You'll good morning is bad morning. Not exactly. I'm not getting that sentence well. Continue, please. Continue.
You can get a golden handshake or a rejection.
Correct. Both are the same. Yes.
You can get a better opportunity, but you have to practice a lot for it.
Correct. Yes.
You can get a second chance if you prove me.
Good. You'll have to join the meeting with the president. My dear, can you please make sentence with you can get? We can get.
You can get many challenges in life, but you have to face it bravely.
Good. You can
You
get.
can get success.
Correct. You can get success if you try hard. Yes. Yes.
I can get any top level thing that you want.
Good. Yes.
We can get anything if it's possible.
You
We can get anything if
never
it is
get
possible.
whatever you want.
Repeat once again. Your voice is lagging.
You can never get whatever
Voice is lagging, madam. You can never get.
want.
You can get your dream job, but it's all about your skills.
Correct. Under. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You can get anything on your last wish.
You
Very
can
good. You
get
can get
best
anything on your last
opportunity
wishes.
if you want search.
If
Sir,
you search.
If you want.
Yes.
Sir, you know in Hindi we tell कोई आखिरी इच्छा है. So what do we call it in English?
The last wish. The last wish.
You can get a wicket, but
The
you have
final
to
wish.
areas.
You have to.
Bowl in right areas.
Correct. By the way, let's go for the next one. You can get. Next one, conversation C is there. Have a look here. Please pay attention. Now, is this where I get off the bus? No, not here. At the next bus stop. At the next stop. Next, where can I catch the taxi? Right there. Yes, there's a taxi stand right by the bus stop. All right. Is this where I get off the bus? I want this sentence you to make. Is this where I get off? Now, is this where I could see myself? Is this where I could see myself? Just a minute, please.
Dial him to your mic.
Extremely sorry for this one. Guys, I'm really sorry for today. I have, really very emergency right now to leave. We shall have this extra session some other day. All right. Don't worry about it. I'll be giving you the extra session on another day. All right. I'm really sorry for this one. I have some emergency. We'll see you tomorrow on time. Getting it?